Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can reverse audio in CapCut PC. I'm just going to use the audio of me talking. So first, you need to actually add a picture on top or a video. Just preferably a photo so it doesn't have any audio. But you're going to select both of them. You're going to select right click and you're going to select create compound clip. I'll play it before it's like reversed. My voice before and after it's okay. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to select reverse and clip. You cannot undo the compound clip though, but you can just export it as an audio if you don't want it to be like a photo, I guess. But it's going to reverse the audio. Watch. Great. I sound like that reversed. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!